Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today is the day of my grandmother's funeral, and as you guys can hear, my voice is completely gone. Last night was just amazing. The energy last night was everything. We danced, we laughed, we cried, and we didn't go to bed until morning just to get a few hours sleep for right now. So we're on our way to where I grew up, to where the funeral is gonna be, the church is gonna happen there, and the burial is gonna be there. So right now we're at a particular point waiting on the hearse to come with her in it, that is gonna take her there, and we're all gonna drive behind the hearse to the church. So we're on our way to my grandmother's funeral, and it's gonna be a sad day to say the least, but we're finally putting her to rest and we're waiting on her right now. So yeah, just giving you guys a real quick update. This vlog, I don't know if it will even make it up, but I just wanted to even capture this for the family, because the family has really been depending on me to capture all the behind the scenes, little footage here and there, and pictures here and there. You guys see my brother, that's my brother right there, to capture little footage, even though there will be a professional camera guy there to video everything. I've been capturing things from home and on the road and stuff like that. So I'm just coming on to give a little update about where we are right now and what is really happening. So I'll catch you guys at some point throughout the day. I honestly don't know if you guys will even see me again for the rest of the day. I'll probably just insert this clip somewhere, but anyway, I'll go and just have some time with the family. Everybody is here, my cousins are there, my mom is here, Tyler is up there, and a lot more vehicles coming. So we're just waiting on the vehicle with her to come so we can drive behind it. Jesus Christ. Mama, all you had to offer was no man. You not go to that? No. Lord, and Ashani did directly behind her. Oh, heavens. You guys, these are all banana trees and breadfruit trees and bamboo. We're heading now. I'm almost in my community where I grew up. We're almost at the church where my grandma is gonna be for the funeral. So as you can see, this is how the roads are looking. No, it's not clean. It's grass. So all you guys gonna see is bush, grass, worship. So there's cars in front of us and there are cars behind us. Some family driving behind us. Molo and
show me great God to their country. I wish I great God, oh God.
Mama thing blow down. What?
Yo! Come to it! Come!
going, my love?
I don't know what I'm going to do with that one day. What am I going to do? Because this
Sorry,
one supposed
Sheena.
to, after them sign this.
Who gonna sign it?
People just sign on it, you just sign it. You can
With
sign
what?
the name. See markers them here.
AJ, that's Auntie. It's Auntie Lana. Is Auntie her? Oh, live on Facebook? Look, who is this? And he's wearing the great grandson ribbons. Blue. Gamma. I know this gentleman sitting right there, he's always drunk. Che.
Come on.
I'm begging up.
Boom, Bakra.
You guys, we're approaching the little community that I grew up. So you see that house right there? That's how all the houses is going to look.
Oh, the young boy.
So Miss Ice right here, so you guys, this is my community that I grew up in. I'm gonna show you guys my my basic school. Guys, that's my basic school right there. Yeah, that's where I went to basic school. That's my preschool. That's where grandma is gonna go. Grandma is gonna go inside of here, right?
Yeah, go around this.
There she is. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. She's gonna go in here. Yes, baby. That's grandma, my grandpa is right there. You guys, I buck up on a fave. And she's camera shy. Say hi. That's her mom. And this is my, what I'm to call her, auntie-in-law. She can't tell me no ex. So, no ex. And cousin here fanning me from crying. And Tyler is here. My head hurts because every time I cry, Tyler cry. Anyway, thank you for watching, my love. And make sure your notification is on so you get every video. Oh, thank you for supporting. All right, my love. You're going too much, Joe. Love kitchen. I see my husband when I get fat. Thanks for watching, honey. All right, later. What happened to you guys? My grandmother is finally under, and I've been crying my eyes out. My cousin here fanning me for the past 30 minutes plus. And Tyler is here not feeling so well. I'm sitting at the house that I grew up in, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Back here and chicken for you guys. So this is the house that I grew up in. This is where it all started, right here. This little house here. So you guys, this is where it all begins. This is where my grandparents used to farm. That's where the grave is, where you're seeing that blue dot. And the house is right there. That's the house right there. So that's where it all happens. This is home for me.